guys. Okay, so y'all did a really good job with yesterday's lesson. So today is going to be a little bit harder, so I just want you to know that you can watch this video as many times as you need to. All right, let's get started. On your next empty sheet in your math journal, I want you to write addition, because we're still working on addition and subtraction. Addition, 3-digit numbers. But this time we're going to use with regrouping. With regrouping. All right, let's get started. Let's say that Gianna has 234 bracelets, and her mom gives her 159 bracelets for her birthday. How are we going to solve this? So we're still using those same steps that we learned yesterday. So our first step is to separate the places. So let's separate them. We're gonna split them up. Again, I wrote my numbers one under the other. I had 234 plus 159. So I have my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. All right, my second step, remember, with addition, I'm going to draw both numbers. Draw both of them. Can y'all see that? Here we go. I'm trying to make it a little bit clearer for y'all. Struggling today. All right, here we go. Now let's draw this out. I had 200, so I had 2 flats, 3 rods, and 4 units. Now I have to draw this 159. So I have 1 flat, 5 rods, and then 9 ones. And now my third step. I'm going to count all places. So let's count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, remember, every time we get to a 10, we've got to circle them because we can't have more than 10 in a single place. So when I have 10, I'm going to combine them all, and it now becomes a rod. All right, you see how I combined all my 10 units, and it now made 1 rod. And now these are all gone. So how many ones do I have left? Did I not circle? 1, 2, 3. And now how many rods do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now how many hundreds do I have? How many flats? 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 393. So let's add a little step. We'll add our 4th step. We'll say that if more than 10 in a place, combine them and move them to the next highest place. Y'all see that? So if more than 10 in a place, combine them and move them to the next highest place. So I had 10 in my place, in my ones place. I'm going to move them next door to my next highest place and make it into a rod. All right, let's try another question. Oops. All right, number 2. Oh, there it goes. It's a little bit less blurry. If I have the number 461 and I gain or earn 259, how many do I have now? So my first step, it told me to separate the places by my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. And now I have to draw both pictures since I'm adding. So we're going to draw 4 flats, 6 rods, and 1 unit. Now I have 2 flats, 5 rods, and 9 units. I'm making this extra hard for y'all because y'all are so smart. All right. Now we have to count all of our places, step 3. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I gotta stop. I had to circle them. I have 10. And remember, they go next door and it becomes a rod. And these cross out. How many ones do I have left over that I did not circle? Yeah, I circled them all. So I have 0 ones. So now let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. Look, I've got to circle them. That was 10. I need to move them next door and make that 10 a flat. And I cross out that. Now, how many 10s did I not cross out? Or did I not circle? Yeah, just the 2. 1 and 2. Okay, now how many flats do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And look at that, guys. My answer is 720. All right, we're going to do about one more example on addition with regrouping, just so we're really clear on them. Let's say that Cortland, we miss you, buddy. Cortland has 628 football cards. And Braden, another friend in our class that we miss so dearly, has 155 football cards that he gives to Cortland. How many does Cortland have now? So we're going to be adding. Our first step, it told us to separate those places. All right. And now we've got to draw both pictures since we're working with addition. So let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now 2 rods and 8 units. Miss Key is always going to be drawing my pictures a little bit bigger so we can see them nice and clearly and we don't get confused. All right, now let's draw 155. So I have 1 flat, 5 rods, and then 5 units. All right, look at all that. All those pictures that we drew, they're beautiful. Now, our third step is we have to count them. We can count, we're good at that. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! We have to stop. I hope y'all all kind of scared your parents if they're there at the house when you yelled stop because you knew we had to stop at 10. Those cancel out and it makes what? Good job, I heard Gianna. It makes a rod. Good job, Gianna. Now, how many ones do we have left that we did not circle? Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3. All right, now how many rods do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now how many hundreds do we have? How many flats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful job. All right, let's do one more. And this one, I'm gonna see if I can really trick you. All right, I have 472 plus 356. All right, our first step. What should we do? Somebody tell me, somebody tell me. Oh, I heard it. We had to separate those places. All right, now because we're working with addition, we need to draw both of our pictures. So let's get to drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rods? Good, our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many ones? How many units? Yeah, just the 2. All right, how are we gonna draw 356? Good, we have 3 flats, 5 rods, and 6 units. Oh, y'all are so smart. All right, our next step, we just gotta count them now, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I need to circle anything? Nope, I don't have 10 or more. So I'm just gonna write the number 8. All right, let's start with our rods now, because remember, we always start in the ones place. All right, our rods, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! I hope your parents got scared again, because you shouted, stop, Miss Key, stop. I gotta circle it. And I move it into the next highest place. Now you see I didn't move it backwards. I moved it to the next highest place. And I crossed them out. How many did I not circle? Yeah, I didn't circle 2 of them. And now how many flats do I have? How many hundreds? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, guys. All right, let's watch the next video over subtraction. Whoop, whoop. Bye, guys.